Hello guys! For today's video, magluluto po tayo ng our version of beef tapa. Ang mga ingredients ay 1/2 kilo ng karne ng baka cut into stripes ng maninipis, 3 tablespoon ng soy sauce, 3 tablespoon ng oyster sauce, 1/2 teaspoon ng pamintang durog, 1 tablespoon ng garlic powder. Kung wala kayong garlic powder guys, pwede rin isang buong bawang cut into cubes, 1/4 cup ng tubig, 2 tablespoon ng brown sugar, at 2 lemons. Madali lang to guys, paghalo-haloin lang natin. Ang first kong hinalo guys ay ang soy sauce at oyster sauce. Next guys, nilagyan ko ng pamintang durog at garlic powder at ng sugar. I-mix well lang natin to guys. Then, nilagyan ko ng lemon at ng tubig. Pag na-mix well na to guys, hayaan lang nating ma-marinate for at least 2 hours or mas maganda kung overnight. After natin to guys ma-marinate, haluin lang muli natin bago natin prituhin. At antayin nating maluto ang both side. Pagluto na guys ang both side ng ating mga karne, wala! Ready na ang ating my version of beef tapa. Madali lang diba guys? Try nyo na at matikman yung sarili nyong version. Thanks for watching guys. Mag-ingat po kayong lagi. God bless. Bye! Happy cooking guys! Bye!